This is momentum. This is metabolism. There is nourishment and holding. You decide what to treat and where to treat. To create momentum in the body, especially in the large intestine, we use here pitta joint. We use if you have any issues in the muscles, ovaries and testicles, and as well as skin. If you feel any issues in the testicles like varicocele or hydrocele or in the ladies PCOD, all those can be treated in the middle joint. So in that we are discussing about Akasha Tattva, that means the ether element, the space. The space is because it's very broad in nature and very lighter in density. So lower wavelength color is allocated to this. So out of VIBGYR, so red is highest wavelength and violet, purple is the lowest wavelength. So violet represents your space. Through this violet color, one can heal the people who is suffering with the characteristics of space element. It may be a deficiency of space or excess of space. To increase the space element, we are using purple color or violet color, this one. To reduce the space, we are using the next color, is a dark blue. In the previous class, we discussed how this purple can be used to create the space in the joints who are suffering with cervical spondylosis, knee joint stiffness, lumbar spondylosis, even stiffness of fingers, elbows, and frozen shoulder. In all these cases, the joints between two joints, there is no much space. This space can be created by using purple color. I think you've seen some miraculous changes in the previous week, how we created the space by using purple color. This is the one way of healing the body and creating the space in the joints. The second thing, we also thought creating space in the mind, who is very stubborn and who is unable to accept, who is unable to learn the new things, is not able to bring new ideas. When your mind is empty, when mind is having enough space, then only you can bring new ideas. Then only you can learn new concept. You can grasp the concept and subject. For that, we are putting the purple color in the hang brain of the right hand small finger. Like this. Right hand small finger which represents the Akash. In that, in the young brain, if you put purple color, it increases the space in the body as well as in the mind. You can try it who is having very stubborn nature. For example, nowadays many parents are complaining about their childrens. They're very stubborn. They're not listening. Just before going to school or college, call them and put one purple color. Send them. You tell the first concept what I told. It improves the concentration and absorption because space absorbs everything. Like that, once you put purple color and go to school or college, you learn better. Your learning skills and grasping improves more. That is for your children's. For you, they listen to you because it brings the acceptance, which brings the communication and which brings the permittivity of the subject and matter. So that's what this purple brings a lot of peace in the family, even for your husband, wife, elders, even for kids. One thing, they are very flexible. They say yes always. The second thing, they are able to learn the new things. They are able to create new ideas. It is a superb color which you can use for your daily life. So definitely you can bring the flexibility of the joints, flexibility of the mind. And if you have any skin related issues, you can put purple color on the middle joint. This is Vata, Pitta, Kapha. In English, if you want to tell, this is momentum, this is metabolism, there is nourishment and holding. You decide what to treat and where to treat. To create momentum in the body, especially in the large intestine, we use here Pitta joint. We use if you have any issues in the muscles, ovaries and testicles, and as well as skin. Which are all the tissue is made with epithelial cells, which is having the characteristics of space element, Akasha Tattva. Epithelial cells will be there in the skin, in the ovaries, in the testicles. From the epithelial cells only sperms, ovum, egg, even skin will form. If you feel any issues in the testicles like varicocele or hydrocele or in the ladies PCOD, all those can be treated in the middle joint. Either to tonify this, we can use purple. To sedate Akasha, we can use dark blue. In the polycystic ovary syndrome, some of the epithelial cells are grown but not released. There is a cyst is forming. There is extra growth in the ovaries. Extra growth means what it means? Akasha is more. There you can put dark blue color to reduce that space. In PCOD, even if you have any adipose tissues or extra muscle growth in any part of the body, you can put dark blue color. For example, extra muscle growth, it happens sometimes in the liver. The cyst happens in the liver. For somebody, the extra growth happens in the kidney and above the kidney in the adrenal gland. If there is any extra growth, that means the akasha is more. Even fatty liver, liver enlargement. What you can do? This is your liver joint, left hand, index finger, kapha joint, which represents the liver. Just put a dark blue color there, even for 1 week or 1 month, even for 3 months. If you put dark blue in the liver joint, it reduces the fat. How? It is reducing the space. It reduces the size of the cyst. And if you have any fat accumulation also it reduces. If there is a enlargement either in the liver, either in the kidney, either in the spleen, even sometimes enlargement it happens in the thyroid. I've seen the thyroid gland enlarged. There also space is more. This is the thyroid gland joint. Just put dark blue color there in thyroid joint. Wherever there is a extra growth, extra swelling, to that joint, go and apply dark blue color. What is an idea? For somebody, uterus will be thickened and swollen. Uterus, especially the ladies who is in the menopause time. Endometrial thickness and enlargement and swelling of uterus. This is the uterus joint, right hand thumb. There you put dark blue color. So dark blue color is reducing the space. It may be glands, it may be a muscle, it may be any tissues or joints. If there is a swelling in the body, just put dark blue color. If there is a heart enlargement, dark blue here. This is a heart joint.